Yes, sir.
Sure. RMS speed in terms of what beta? Temperature. We already derived the relation PV is equals to 1 by 3 m into n into VRMS square beta,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? And we also know in terms of your Boltzmann's constant, PV is equals to how much for me? N into Boltzmann's constant capital K into T. That is my equation number 2.
Yes, sir.
See from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 if I'm writing, VRMS will be equal to how much? Because both of them are PV.
Yes, sir.
So this PV law, this m, this n will get cancelled. So 1 by 3m into VRMS is equal to how much for me? K into T. That means VRMS will come out for me under root of your, this will become for me 3 into K into T divided by mass, small m.
Yes, sir.
M is nothing but right now for me what? Mass of that one.
Yes,
so now if I multiply with your Avogadro number, this will become for me under root of your 3 into K into Avogadro number is nothing but what? Gas constant,
yes,
capital
sir.
R divided by T divided by this one is M into N naught.
Yes.
This one is
Yes.
K into N naught and the first.
Yes.
Because K into N naught is nothing but what for me? R.
Yes, sir.
So multiplying and dividing by your N naught, Avogadro number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. So this will become for me VRMS is equals to under root of your 3 into capital R into T by your molecular weight. That is nothing but M naught. So this is the VRMS velocity formula. Okay, now.
Yes.
So VRMS is equals to under root of your 3RT divided by your M naught. Now, if I'm talking about average speed beta, average speed represented by V bar. Average speed is equals to summation of all the velocities divided by number of particles. Okay, like said, we are having 10 and co. V1 plus V2 plus V3 divided by 10.
Yes.
Okay, if I are having 2 on co, V1 plus V2 divided by 2.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay, so for this one, V bar is given by the formula, V average is given by the formula under root of your 8K into T, K Boltzmann's constant divided by pi into M. The proof manaku ledana, you just try to remember the formula that one as it is.
Okay.
So this one is under root of your 8R into your capital T divided by pi into M naught. How I changed here? Multiplying by the Avogadro number, dividing and multiplying by the Avogadro number. So K into Avogadro number is R. N naught into your mass is nothing but molecular.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the very important formula of your most probable, sorry, what do you call RMS velocity. Average of RMS velocity is how much for me? VRMS is equals to, or V average is equals to under root of your 8KT by pi m, or under root of 8RT by your pi into M naught. M naught is a molecular weight, capital T is a temperature, absolute temperature, R is a universal gas constant. Okay, na?
Yes.
Next one is nothing but of your most probable speed. Most probable speed. Okay, most probable speed. MPS, most probable speed. Okay, it is actually the speed beta of which maximum number of molecules in the gas contain. That is the reason we are talking about most probable. Like most number of the students have got 10 out of 10. Most means what? Large number, isn't it?
Yes.
So I can say that it is the speed. It is the speed which maximum number of molecules in a gas have a constant temperature. Okay, so the formula for that one is Vp rasana, that is equals to under root of your 2 into K into T divided by small m beta. Capital R రావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? Divide and multiply by your Avogadro number. That means this will become for me 2 times of your capital R into capital T divided by mass into Avogadro number is nothing but molecular weight. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So how many velocities we got right now? Beta okatemo VRMS velocity. Next one is average velocity, and next one is most probable velocity. So this one is your average speed. Second one, isn't it? First one is nothing but what? VRMS speed. This is nothing but the first one. And third one, what we got is nothing but of your most probable velocity. This is nothing but of your VP. So VP is equal to under root of 2 kT by m or under root of your 2 RT by your molecular weight. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So overall, how many velocities? 3 speeds: VRMS, average, and as well as of your most probable velocity.
Yes.
If I compare all of them, VRMS velocity is found to be greater than average velocity, and average velocity is greater than the most probable velocity. Okay.
Yes.
Increasing order or not unko. RMS velocity is greater than average velocity, and average velocity is greater than of your most probable velocity. The formulas derivations level on our syllabus la. You need to remember the formulas as it is basically. Okay, na?
Okay.
Next one, chudu. Average kinetic energy. Average kinetic energy of a molecule. Average kinetic energy of a molecule. What is an average kinetic energy of your molecule? See here. Average kinetic energy of a molecule is half m VRMS square. Must be equal to half into m. VRMS into 3 into k into t divided by small m. Molecule gada. So when we are talking about in terms of molecule, we write in terms of what? Boltzmann's constant.
Yes.
If I'm writing in terms of moles, we write in terms of capital R. No?
Yes, sir.
So VRMS velocity I'm substituting here right now. So it is 2m into your, there's nothing but 3 kT divided by your em. So this one is nothing but of your small m part of relation. This small m gets cancelled. So this is how much I'm getting right now. This one is a 3 by 2 k into t. Okay, na?
Yes.
So average of your molecule half m VRMS square is equal to how much for me? 3 by 2 times of both constant into your absolute temperature. So I can write here translational kinetic energy of molecules. Translational kinetic energy of molecules is equals to 3 by 2 k into t. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So average translation kinetic energy depends upon only what bit? Temperature. Antena?
Yes, sir.
It is not depending upon any other because k is a constant, 3 by 2 is also constant. This is very important for theoretical questions, beta. You can write here right now. The average translational kinetic energy of a gas molecule depends only on its temperature. Only on its temperature, and is independent of its nature, and is independent of nature. That is molecules of different gases. Molecules of different gases, like say helium, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. At same temperature will have same or different beta? Will have same translational kinetic energy. Ante kada?
Yes,
because
sir.
average
Because only temperature is
depending only on temperature, but is
yes.
not depending on its nature.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? It is independent of nature. It is monatomica, diatomica, triatomica. Then sambandham ledu. So if the molecules are different, like say helium is there, hydrogen is there, oxygen is there, and if they are at the same temperature,
they will have
so they will be having what? Same translational kinetic energy.
Yes.
Okay, na? Sure. Let us try to do one question on this one. Calculate the RMS speed. Calculate the RMS speed of nitrogen at STP. In the bracket Pressure is equals to 1 atmosphere, and temperature capital T is equals to 0 degrees centigrade. First of the density of nitrogen is rho is equals to 1.25 kg meter cube. Okay, no?
Yes.
Now we need to write the RMS velocity in terms of density. RMS velocity in terms of density part of a relation. So how do you write that one better? VRMS, I told you in yesterday's session of your classes also. VRMS is equals to what? Under root of your V mean square, na? That is equals to under root of your 3 PV divided by capital M.
Yes, sir.
Avuna kada? Density is equals to what? Mass by volume. So VRMS is
Okay.
equals to under root of your
1 by
3P by rho.
rho. Yes, sir.
Antena?
Yes, sir.
So that is equals to under root of your 3 into, it is what? STP. STP 1 atmosphere
1.
means what? 10 to the power of
Yes.
5 divided by density. Density is 1.25.
25.
Okay, that will give me the answer. Should end this one.
Sir, actually, approximately we can cancel 1.25 and 3, sir.
How much approximate can you make it? You tell me. Yeah, because power lo undi kada, we can make approximately.
Sir,
7 అవుతుంది.
2.4 into
Approximately
10 to the
490
power
వస్తుంది.
5.
Yeah. 490 meter per second. Because 1.25 powers లో పోతుంది కదా.
Yes, sir.
3. So it should be 490 meter per second.
Yes, sir.
Okay na? So next one tell them.
Sir, actually, like, do you have day before yesterday classes also notes, sir?
నోట్స్ ఉంది నాన్న డే
Yes,
బిఫోర్
sir.
ఎస్టర్డేస్ క్లాస్
Yes,
నోట్స్
sir.
ఉంటుంది అది
అంటే
నేను క్లాస్ స్క్రీన్ షాటింగ్ లో చూపిస్తాను.
నేను అంటే క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఒక్కసారి ఇది తీసుకున్న
ఓకే,
తర్వాత అది కూడా ఒకసారి చూపిస్తాను.
చూపిస్తాను.
Yes.
నెక్స్ట్ వన్ చూడు. ఫైండ్ RMS speed. Find RMS speed of oxygen molecules at a temperature 27 degrees centigrade. Okay, so what is the formula? VRMS is equals to under root of 3R into T divided by molecular weight in terms of temperature. Standard temperatures kabatti R value is 8.3 joule per mole Kelvin, and T value is equals to 27 plus of your 273, and that will be equal to 300 Kelvin. And molecular weight of this one is equals to how much for me? 32 gram per mole. That means that will be equal to 32 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg per mole. Antena?
Yes, sir.
So VRMS is equals to oxygen kada under root of your 3, R value is 8.3 into your 300 divided by this one is 32 into 10 to the power of minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you simplify it, you will get the answer for this one.
Sir,
Do the
actually,
calculation.
in the numerator 300 we can make it 3 into the power 3 into 10 to the power 2, sir.
Yeah.
And then we can cancel like
I can
10
write this one as 8.3 as also how much? 83 by 10.
Yes, sir. Then it will
So
come
here
down.
it will be only 10. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So minus 3 will it go means it will become plus.
Yes,
10
sir.
to the power of 4. 10 to the power of 4 means root 10 to the power of 4 is root by this is 10 to the power of 2 అయిపోతున్నది.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా? The remaining is 3 into 83 divided by 32.
Yes, sir.
చూడండి ఎంత వస్తుంది. ఇది 83 అయితే ఇది 0 అయిపోతుంది.
7.7 వస్తుంది sir. 3 into
Root
83. Yes, sir. Root over 7.78.
Divided by 32.
Yes, sir. అదే sir. 3 into 83 divided by 32 అంత వస్తుంది.
10 to the power of 2 బయటికి వచ్చేస్తే this one is under root of this one is 3 into 83 divided by 32 అంతేనా?
Yes sir. And that is around 7.8. It is around 7.8.
రూట్
Yes sir.
రూట్ కూడా తీయాలి కదా మరి.
Yes sir. $2.8 వస్తుంది సార్.
అట్లా వస్తుంది రూట్ 7
రూట్ అంటే సార్ ఇట్స్ అరౌండ్ it should be more than 2 and less than 3 only sir. సో 2.79 అట్లా వచ్చింది సార్ ఇది. అంటే ఐ చెక్డ్ ఇన్ ద క్యాల్కులేటర్ సార్.
రూట్ మొత్తమా?
యా రూట్ 7.8.
రూట్ 7.8 రూట్ 7.8 వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది?
అదే సార్
7.8 అంటే యూ టేక్ అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 8 రూట్ 8 అనుకో.
yes sir.
రూట్ 8 is how much?
2.9 అలా.
2.9 వస్తుందా?
2.82.
Okay, wait a minute. So that value you write it and get me the answer for that. Okay na?
Okay.
ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ చూసుకో. Calculate the root mean square. The root mean square. Root mean square. Speed of smoke particle. Speed of smoke particle of mass 5 into 10 to the power of minus 17 kg in their motion in air at NTP. K value is given as 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23 joule per Kelvin. ఇది ఇవ్వడు, మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి K value. K Boltzmann's constant value is always 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23. Okay na?
Yes.
In terms of molecules అన్నాడు కాబట్టి VRMS is equals to under root of, so it is 3 into capital K into T divided by mass. అంతేనా?
Yes sir.
So that is equals to under root of your 3. K value is 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23 into temperature. Temperature ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు చూడు. Calculate the root mean square speed of the smoke particle of mass 5 into 10 to the power of minus 17 kg in their motion in air at NTP. Normal temperature pressure అంటే 273.
Yes sir.
Divided by mass. Mass is given how much for me? 5 into 10 to the power of minus 17. Okay?
Yes sir.
So you use the simplification, you should be getting the answer as 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter per second.
Sir, but NTP is 293, no sir?
Normal temperature and pressure.
Yes.
Why 293?
NTP, like some temperature, it is actually 293.
No. It is always 273 only.
Okay.
Okay. Chalo, next question చూడు ఒకసారి. ఈ చాప్టర్ మొత్తం ఫార్ములా బేస్డ్ అయినా. The thing is you need to remember the formulas, that's it.
Okay.
The next one is nothing but of your the average translational kinetic energy of air molecules. Kinetic energy of air molecules is 0.040 electron volt. Okay, 1 electron volt is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. Calculate the temperature of the air. Calculate the temperature of the air. Okay, and Boltzmann's constant K value is again 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23 joule per Kelvin. Formula ఏమి ఇస్తా చెప్పు సార్. average translational kinetic energy of the molecule in terms of Boltzmann's constant, average kinetic energy in terms of Boltzmann's average
Okay,
translational
yes, sir.
kinetic energy,
3
3
by
by
2
2 times of your K
K
into
into T.
T. So kinetic energy K is equals to 3 by 2 K into your T.
T.
Okay, so kinetic energy in the 0.04 into 1 electron volt ante 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. 1 electron volt value he has given
Yes, sir.
already. So that is equals to 3 by 2. Boltzmann's constant is also known for me.
1.38
1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23 into temperature is capital T.
Yes.
Okay, so from this one you simplify, you will get the answer for this one. You should be getting this one as 309 Kelvin.
Okay.
Cheskuntavu kada?
Yes, sir.
Next question, Jude. Consider a sample of oxygen. A sample of oxygen at 300 Kelvin. First of all, find the average time by a molecule, average time by the molecule to travel a distance equal to the diameter of the earth, equal to the diameter of the earth. Okay, the bracket, the radius of the earth is equals to 6,400 kilometers. That means 10 to the power of 3. So diameter will become how much for me? 2 times of the radius is the diameter.
Yes, sir.
That's it. So how do you calculate this one? See the question. Consider a sample of oxygen at 300 Kelvin. Temperature is given for me. T is equals to 300 Kelvin. Find the average time. So time taken is equals to what for me? Distance by what? Velocity.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So distance by velocity. What velocity? Velocity of gas molecules. They are escaping property. V average will be equal to how much for me? Under root of your 8 R into T divided by your pi into your M naught.
Yes, sir.
Average speed. The most of the molecules will possess this much amount of velocity only.
Yes,
that means
sir.
this value will be equal to under root of your 8. R value is how much for me? 8.3 into temperature is how much for me? 300 Kelvin. Directly Kelvin and nature.
Yes,
No need
sir.
of converting right now. 300 Kelvin. 300 Kelvin divided by pi. Pi value is in nothing but 3.14 into this one is 32 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Molecular
Yes,
weight
sir.
of what?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Kada?
Yes, sir. Oxygen.
Isn't it? So you simplify it, you will be getting the answer as 445 meter per second. Calculation you can take care. Then time adigaru kabatti, time is equals to distance. Distance means what? 2 times the radius of the earth divided by v. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
Idi
Yes,
earth
sir.
anko.
Yes, sir.
Ikkada nunchi ikkada varaku distance idi center.
Yes, sir.
Ikkada nunchi ikkada varaku radius kabatti, the total distance will be equal to how much for me? 2
2
times
R.
of
Yeah.
RE by your v. RE is nothing but radius of the earth. That
Yes,
means this
sir.
one is a 2 into 6,400 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by velocity 445.
Yes.
So that will be equal to 28764 seconds approximately, or that is equals to 8 hours. Okay. You can
Yes,
do the
sir.
roughly the calculation related to that one. You'll get the answer in terms of seconds.
Okay.
You know how to convert the seconds into hours?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Because 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equals to 60 into 60.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So divided by your 3,600. That will give me the answer. Okay, na? Sure. So this question is now very good question. Two perfect gases at absolute temperature. At absolute temperatures T1 and T2 are mixed. T1 and T2 are mixed. First of all, there is no loss of energy. There is no loss of energy. First of all, find the temperature of the mixture. Find the temperature of mixture. Find the temperature of mixture if masses of molecules, if masses of molecules are m1 and m2 and number of molecules in the gases are n1 and n2. Okay, now so the question first. Two perfect gases at absolute temperature T1 and T2. We have got two gases. So this is, say, for example, gas 1, and this is, say, for example, gas 2. And this one is at what temperature? T1. This one is at what temperature? T2. There is no loss of energy. Find the temperature of mixture when both of them are mixed. We got the temperature as of your capital T. Masses of this one is M1 and M2. Number of moles are right now N1 and N2 part.
Yes.
So what will be the kinetic energy of the first molecule, beta? K1 is equals to, this is N1 into 3 by 2 K into T1. Antena?
Yes, sir.
The same way K2. K2 is equals to N2 into, this is 3 by 2 K into your T2.
T2.
So total kinetic energy ఉన్నది అనుకుంటా. అప్పుడు ఏమైపోతుంది? Total kinetic energy K is
K1
equals
plus
to, this
K2.
one is 3 by 2 times of your K into this one is N1 T1 plus this one is N2 T2.
Yes.
Isn't it? So now let T be the temperature of the mixture. Then total kinetic energy will be equal to how much, beta? So total kinetic energy is nothing but what for me here? K dash. That will be equal to how much for me? N1 plus N2. Ante kada?
Yes.
This is 3 by 2 K into total temperature. This is mixture ki. Kinetic energy of mixture.
Total mixture.
Mixture ki N1 plus N2 kada. Rendu add ayipothayi.
Yes, sir.
Now this K dash must be equal to how much for me? K.
Yes, sir.
Ante kada? So this one is N1 plus N2 into divided by 3 by 2 K into temperature of mixture is equals to 3 by 2 K into this one is your N1 T1 plus of your N2 T2. So this 3 by 2 K, this 3 by 2 K gets cancelled. So temperature I can get right now. T is equals to what for me? N1 T1 plus of your N2 T2 divided by your N1 plus N2. So this will be your answer. Temperature of your mixture will be equal to your how much? Achinda?
Yes, sir.
Next one is about your gas laws. What are the gas laws, beta? First one is Boyle's law. What is the Boyle's law? Chemistry chadavinto.
Yes, sir.
At a given temperature, any given temperature, the pressure of the given mass of gas, the pressure of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its what? Volume. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
Like say, we already derived this one. PV is equals to 1 by 3 M into N into VRMS square.
Yes,
Ana
sir.
kada? VRMS square. This is totally a constant kada?
Yes, sir.
For a given gas, VRMS square is what? Directly proportional to what? Temperature kada?
Yes, sir.
For a given gas, VRMS square is directly proportional to temperature.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So I can say that value of VRMS is what? Constant at a given temperature.
Yes, sir.
So mass is a constant. 1 by 3 is a constant. N is a constant. So I can write here right now. PV is equals to what for me? Constant.
Getting the volume down.
Yeah. So now P is inversely proportional to what? Volume.
Volume, yes, sir.
Isn't it? P is inversely proportional to volume. So this is P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2. P1 volume is equals to what I can write? Area into length. In terms of length,
Okay, yes, sir.
area cross section of the pipe will be the same. P2 into area into your L2. So this one and this one will get cancelled. So this one is P1 L1
L1
will be equal to P2 L2 in terms of length.
Yes.
In terms of your length. Okay. In terms of radius gonna say for spherical bodies, volume is how much for me? 4 by 3 pi r cube.
Yes.
So I can write P1 into 4 by 3 pi into your R1 cube is equals to your P2 into this one is 4 by 3 pi into your R2 cube. 4 by 3 gets cancelled.
Yes.
So this one is P1
P1
R1
R1
cube is equals to
P2
P2 into your R2 cube.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These are the different forms of your Boyle's law part of relation. Okay. So what is the actual relation right now? P is inversely proportional to your volume. So if I draw a diagram for this one, that is nothing but of a graph. Pressure versus your volume. Pressure versus your volume. And one more graph right now. This one is for your pressure versus your 1 by V. And if I'm trying to draw the graph between PV, P into V, here P are the volume V, then how do we get the graphs? Let's see. P and V inversely proportional kabatti rectangular hyperbola. So this will be what right now? Rectangular hyperbola. This will be the shape.
Yes,
P is
sir.
inversely proportional key. Okay, now. And when P is directly proportional to 1 by V, it will be a straight line like this.
Yes.
Straight line. PV constant like this.
Okay.
Okay, no? So these are three graphs you need to remember in the Boyle's law. P versus 1 by V, PV versus PRV, it will be a straight line parallel to your x-axis part of relation.
Yes.
And P versus V is what? Rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola part of relation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. The next one is about your Charles law.
Sure.
Next one is about your Charles law. Okay. Another track lo em nadustundana ippudu?
Track 1 sir. Vectors చేసేస్తున్నాను sir.
Vectors చేస్తున్నారా?
Yes sir, almost అయిపోయింది కూడా.
అదేది?
అంటే ఫుల్ వెక్టర్స్ కాదు కదా సార్, అంటే దీంట్లో ఉట్టి సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ వరకు ఇంకా లాస్ సార్, అంటే అడిషన్ లాస్.
నేను వీడియో లింక్ పంపించాను, చూసావా?
ఎస్ సార్, కొంచెం చూసాను సార్.
దాంట్లో నీట్ గానే ఉంది, మొత్తం చూసుకోవచ్చు ప్రశాంతంగా.
yes sir.
ఓకే, చార్ల్స్ లా చూడు. ఎట్ ఏ గివెన్ దిస్ ఇస్ రైట్ నౌ ఫర్ చార్ల్స్ లా కదా. ఎట్ ఏ గివెన్ ఇది ప్రెషర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎట్ ఏ గివెన్ ప్రెషర్, at a given pressure, the volume of a given mass, the volume of a given mass of a gas is proportional to its absolute temperature. Okay, na?
Yes.
From which relation better? PV. PV is equals to 1 by 3 m into, this one is nothing but of your n into VRMS square. So V is directly proportional to what beta? VRMS square kada. VRMS square is what? Directly proportional to temperature.
Yes sir.
So I can write now here, volume is directly proportional to temperature. Ante na?
Yes sir.
So V by T is equals to constant. ఇది మనం ఇది కూడా చేసాం కదా ఇవన్నీ.
లేదు సార్,
చేయలేదా?
yes sir.
What is about your Charles? What is Charles law beta? At a given pressure, the volume of a given mass of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. So V is directly proportional to T, so V by T is equals to your constant. V by T is equals to constant. Next one is nothing but of your Gay-Lucas law. Gay-Lucas law. Gay-Lucas law. It says that same condition at a given volume. At a given volume, the pressure of the given mass
is directly.
The pressure of a given mass of gas is directly proportional to proportional to its what?
Temperature. Absolute.
Temperature. Yeah. So I can write here P is directly proportional to VRMS square.
Yes, sir.
P is directly proportional to VRMS square, and this VRMS square is directly proportional to temperature. So P is directly proportional to your T.
Yes.
Isn't it? So RP by T is equals to your constant K. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Sir, ఈ
Next.
రెండిటికి గ్రాఫ్స్ ఏం లేవా సార్?
గ్రాఫ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, డైరెక్ట్లీ కండిషన్స్ రాసుకుంటే ప్రెషర్ వర్సెస్ టీ.
స్లోప్
వాట్ విల్ బి ద గ్రాఫ్? స్ట్రైట్ లైన్. యా, స్లోప్ లైక్ దిస్. ఎందుకంటే డైరెక్ట్లీ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ అయిపోతుంది కదా.
yes sir. ఓకేనా? రెండిటికి అంతే కదా.
అదే విధంగా ప్రీవియస్ దాని కూడా అంతే.
yes sir.
So if I'm drawing a graph for this one, volume versus your temperature, this is also a straight line passing from the origin. Okay na?
Yes sir.
Next one is Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law. Same beta. In this one, what is telling is at the same temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gases contains equal number of your molecules antunnadu. Okay na? So
Yes,
what is the
sir.
given statement? At the same temperature, and pressure, at same temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gases, contain equal number of molecules. ఎలా చూడు, PV is equals to, we know the formula, 1/3 m1 into your n1 into your v1
Yeah.
square.
Yes.
In terms of molecules.
Yes sir. Yes.
That is also equal to 1/3 into m2 into n2 into your v2 square. Isn't it? At same temperature, if I'm writing right now, so what I can write the relation right now, half into m1 into v1 square will be equal to your how much for me? Half into, this one is nothing but equal to how much for me? 1/3 into your. So same temperatures, the kinetic energies will be the same. Kabatti number of moles, that is n1, will be equal to your n2.
Yes sir.
That's what the statement is telling. The same temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gases contains what? Equal number of your molecules. Equal number of your molecules. That means n1 must be equal to your n2. Okay.
Yes sir.
Next one is nothing but of your Graham's law. Chemistry lo chadeva idi.
Yes sir.
Graham's law of diffusion. Chappu. Gurtunda?
So there is equal rate of diffusion like with all gases.
Yeah, rate of diffusion is the proportional to what? RMS speed of your
Yes,
molecules. Isn't it? So I'm assuming right now what here? Rate of diffusion. Rate of your diffusion is proportional to what? RMS speed of molecules. RMS speed of your molecules. Ante rate of diffusion R1 by R2 తో రాసుకుంటే this one is nothing but V1 RMS square divided by V2 RMS. అవునా కదా?
Yes.
So it is equals to, I can write this one under root of your 3p by your rho 1 divided by 3p by your rho 2.
Yes.
3p gets cancelled. So R1 by R2 is equals to under root of your rho 2 by rho 1.
Yes sir.
So can I say right now, rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to density.
Yes.
అంతే కదా?
Yes.
Rate of diffusion is proportional to RMS speed of the molecules kabatti rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to what? Its density. Okay na?
Yes sir.
The next one and the last law of this one is nothing but of your Dalton's law. Dalton's law of partial pressure. ఇది కూడా కెమిస్ట్రీలో వచ్చింటది.
Yes sir.
Dalton's law of your partial pressure. Okay, what does this statement says is right now. See, the pressure exerted by mixture when you're mixing beta, isn't it? So the pressure exerted by a mixture of several gases equals to the sum of pressures equals to the what? Sum of the pressures exerted by each gas occupying the same volume as that of mixture. అంటే ఏంటి? P must be equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus so on, whatever it may be. The pressure exerted by mixture of the several gases. అంటే ఈ మిక్స్ మొత్తం అయ్యి ఎంత ప్రెషర్ ఎక్సర్ట్ అవుతాయో దట్ షుడ్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్? సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రెషర్స్ ఎక్సర్టెడ్ బై ది ఈచ్ గ్యాస్. మొత్తం యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత ప్రెషర్ వస్తుందో దట్ మస్ట్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు ద ప్రెషర్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ మిక్చర్స్. ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
చూడు ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది. లైక్ సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ we have got a container and in this one we are having N1 En2 and volume VNT. సో దీనిలో ప్రెషర్ ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పు? P1 is equals to N1 into R into T by V. వాల్యూమ్ సేమ్ కదా అన్నిటికీ.
Yes, sir.
అదే విధంగా P2 కి ఏమైపోతుంది? P2 is equals to N2 into R by your V. సో టోటల్ ప్రెషర్ రాసాను P is equals to P1 plus P2. ఎందుకంటే దిస్ ఇస్ వాల్యూమ్ సేమ్ కదా. వాల్యూమ్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో చేంజ్. దిస్ ఇస్ కామా, దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ 1, దిస్ ఇస్ కామా, దిస్ ఇస్ N1 and this one is nothing but N2. అవునా కదా? వాల్యూమ్ ఫర్ బోత్ ది గ్యాస్ కండక్టర్ ఇస్ సేమ్, టెంపరేచర్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో సేమ్, సో R value is also same. So P is equals to N1 plus N2. అంటే దీంట్లో ఏమైపోతుంది నీకు? N1 plus N2 into this will become for me how much? R into T divided by volume V. So this will be the pressure. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
These are the sum of the laws you need to remember. Dalton's laws of partial pressure says that the pressure exerted by a mixture of several gases equals the sum of the pressure exerted by each gas occupying the same volume of the gas as that of mixture. That is, P is equals to your P1 plus of your P2 plus of your P3, so on up to your n number of your gases. Okay na? So these are all the gas laws which you need to remember. Okay.
Yes.
ఒకసారి
can you show that? ఫస్ట్ చూపిస్తారా సార్? అంటే
స్టార్టింగ్
డే బిఫోర్
ఎస్టర్డే నా దగ్గర ఛార్జింగ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగు. కీప్ ద ఛార్జింగ్ అండ్ షో యూ. మళ్ళీ షేర్ చేస్తాను ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఓకేనా?
yes.
ఇక్కడ నుంచి కదా?
yes sir.
స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుంటావా? స్క్రీన్ రికార్డ్ తీసుకుంటావా?
సార్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి కాదు సార్. ఐ జస్ట్ టెల్ యూ. ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్.
Maybe from here.
Yes sir. Okay. 1 minute sir. yes sir. తీసుకుంటున్నాను సార్.
స్క్రీన్ షాటా?
yes sir.
ఇది ఈ రోజు.
Yes. Yes, sir. సార్ సార్ అదేదో వచ్చింది సార్, లైక్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్. ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి చూపిస్తారా సార్? ఏదో మెసేజ్ వచ్చింది సార్. ఎస్ సార్. ఎస్ సార్. ఎస్. ఓకే సార్. సార్ నేను మీకు ఆ వీడియో కూడా పంపిస్తాను సార్ ఈరోజు.
ఓకే, ట్రై చేయి, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ముందైతే నువ్వు చదువు ఎగ్జామ్ కి, అండ్ వెక్టార్స్ కూడా మరోసారి చదువు. నేను లింక్ కూడా పంపిస్తుంటాను, అది చేయి మరోసారి.
ఓకే సార్. అది సార్ ఎగ్జామ్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ పోస్ట్పోన్ టు ట్యూస్డే సార్.
అవునా? ఓకే ఓకే ఫైన్. వెక్టార్స్ కూడా